I have been really lucky to have a lot of incredible mentors. At my firm in particular, we're an interdisciplinary firm, and so I've had the benefit of being able to ask questions of so many colleagues across architecture, interior design, and engineering. And they've really encouraged me to lean into the sort of problem-finding skills of looking for opportunities, but then bringing ideas to the table for how to solve them. And then when I have been able to bring those ideas to the table, I've really been supported by those mentors and leaders in my firm to say, yeah, you think this could be a solution for that? Well, let's run with it, which has really enabled me to transition in my career across multiple project types, skill sets, and helped me transition from an interior design background into sustainability.